everyone, welcome to Wonders LED Lighting World. My channel is mainly talk about LED lighting and how to find a good supplier in China. If you are doing business about LED, you can find a lot of LED track light, downlight, LED strip light, and LED corn bulbs product video show in my channel. And also, I would like to show how to have a good communication with your LED supplier, get support from them, get best service, get best price, get best delivery time from them. So subscribe me and we can discuss more about LED lighting and how to communicate with your LED supplier. Today in this video, I would like to show a white LED track light. This track light is 20 wattage. The driver is inside, very close to the LED chips in the white housing. We can achieve dimmable or non-dimmable function, and also have flick-free driver and a flickering driver for your choice. The track height, we can offer 2 wheels, 3 wheels, or 4 wheels for different track rail system. LED chips, we normally use the Austrian or Nunas brand. Color temperature from 2200 Kelvin to 6500 Kelvin. Amber color is also can be customized. Beam angle can be 50 degree, 24 degree, and 36 degree optional. CRI is divided into 80, 85, 90, 95, or even higher. We use LED lens instead of reflector. Make the light spot looks more beautiful. If you want to know more about this track light, just leave a comment and tell me where you would be like to use. Thank you so much for watching today, and the best wishes for all of you, satisfied with your life, with your job, with every day. Thank you.